Yo, what's up guys? This is Pedropland from Sopix, and welcome to a very exciting tutorial. Today we want to be taking a look at some really interesting kind of text looks with some shadows, some 3D, some lens flares. You know, we got pretty much everything. So actually we just want to go ahead and see what we are going to be creating. Wow, that's a lot of stuff going on. You know, I promise this tutorial will be really fast, so actually, let's just go ahead. Okay, start with just making a new composition. So click on Composition, New Composition. Type in whatever you may want. I want to type in Main Comp. And the settings looks good. There's a resolution, just set it to full. Okay, now we want to start with just adding a text. So just type in what you would like. I will type in Sopix. Fix the scale like that. Okay, what I now want to do is that I want to make a background. So go to New, Layer, Solid, and this is going to be background. Duplicate a layer, go to Layer, Solid Settings, and this is going to be the corners. And make it black. Okay, now take this ellipse tool, draw just ellipse really quick, really fast around. Go to Mask, subtract it, and bring the feather up by just hitting F on the keyboard. Like that. Starting to look really interesting. Okay, good. Now make sure that your text is over the background, and what I want to do is that I just want to pre-compose this background. So you can go to Layer, Pre-compose, and just call it background. Good. Okay, our next step is okay, first of all, I just want to make these two layers 3D layers. Good. And make layer new camera 50, I want to set it to 80mm. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let us make some cool, interesting text. Okay, go to first of all, just duplicate the text, then go to radial fast blur. And what this does is that it's making some interesting kind of shadows in a specific direction. In our case, set it to -5000 and just fix the amount. So that may be good. Bring this underneath, and if you now just uncheck this Sopix, you know, it looks like it has got some shadows. Okay, the next thing we want to do is just duplicating it again. Go to Help, search on Ramp, choose the colors, dark gray to dark red maybe. Bring these 2 points down, and also what you also may want to do is get some roughened edges on them. You know, just play with the settings, make what you may would like, and just have fun. Okay, good. You know what? I want to make this a little bit more dark. Okay, good. Then maybe bring this black one in behind. Bring the size up a little bit, because now it looks truly more like 3D. Get a little bit down. Like that. Okay, you know what? It looks like 3D. That's cool. Okay, now what I want to do is that I want to add some lens flare. And go to layer, new solid. Just type in lens flare. And hit OK. Then go to Effect, VideoCopilot, Optical Flares. And this is a plugin that costs money, or you can just download it on Pirate Bay. I would really recommend it because this is a really good plugin, and just if I was you, I would supported VideoCopilot to buy this plugin. So please do that. Okay, click on this one. Go to Options. Here you can actually just choose the lens flare you would prefer, and I will use this one. So just here, like that. I like this one. It looks like kind of Transformer, something like that. Okay, anyways, now what we need to do is that we need to go to Layer, New, Light. Hit OK. Then go to Lens Flare here, and you know this loads really slow right now. So if you want to speed things up, you set the resolution to half. Okay, it just takes a little bit of time. Okay, good. Now go to Lens Flare. Change the source type to Track Lights. So what we're doing is that now the lens flare will always track the light. So if you just click on the light, we can, you know, cool, right? Yeah, that's cool. Then what we can do is that we can just go to lens flare and bring the brightness up. What we also have to do is that we go to render mode and change it to untransparent, like that. I think it's a little bit too bright. Just bring it down. Oh, that was bad. Okay, good. Now, you know, we can do a lot of more things. You can, for example, just go to options here, options, and get some, you know, texture lens dust, like that. That looks really cool. Bring the illumination radius down. Hit OK. You know, that looks kind of interesting. And it's up to you. Just play around with this as much as you can. You can also make some quick kind of transform. You know, just keyframe all this. Go to some seconds, maybe 4 seconds, and you know, zoom out. This takes a little bit time to render, but I think you get it. Okay, that was pretty much it. And thank you all guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, or like this video. If you would do that, I would be really grateful. So thanks again, and hope I see you next time.